Hey guys, Beefcake Racing. Got a few cool parts we're going to show you today from our friends over at Daylight Performance. Our little man Manuel over there sent us some of the parts over here. Sorry, buddy. Sent us some of the new parts that they're making over there. First up is the new coolant tank. All these are for the 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150. This is the coolant tank, much nicer than that stock plastic piece. Everything's fabricated real nice. Comes in with a black powder coat on it. These are really nice. They come with a new cap. A lot of aftermarket tanks you get and stuff, they don't actually come with a cap. So this comes with a cap, little tool that you need there, but everything that you need for that. These are $280, and not too bad of a price considering what you get there. Next up on the list is the hitch deletes. These are only 200 bucks, but a lot of guys that are drag racing, they're trying to cut as much weight as possible. Them hitches are very, very heavy. These are ultra lightweight and will fill in and take the spots and let you get rid of that hitch off that factory bumper. Going to save you a ton of weight. These are maybe a pound each, pound and a half. I think they're about a pound each. They're pretty light. We didn't weigh them, but just holding them, maybe a pound. This is probably the coolest thing for the guys that are racing. This is their fuel cell. So this fuel cell isn't designed around a lot of the aftermarket type fuel hats. It's actually designed around the factory hat. So if you just want to run a factory hat in here, you can run a factory hat in this. But for Innovations, JD, their fuel systems, either of those will work in this as well. So whichever system you want to run, whether it be stock, for JD, it's going to work with this in your 15 to 25 F-150. Fuel cell, obviously, this is pretty light. It's going to cut a ton of weight. You know, you've either typically got a 23 or a 36-gallon tank, and to get the fuel up in there, you know, you got to keep a lot in the tank. Especially on that 36-gallon tank, you're going to get a lot of slosh. When you're racing, that fuel moves around on you quite a bit. So you got to keep a lot of fuel. And if you're talking half a tank, you got 18 gallons of fuel at 7 pounds, 56, you're like 90 pounds of fuel in there. So you're looking with a fuel cell like this, you can literally cut to go racing almost 100 pounds out of your F-150. So again, all these are the new Daylight Performance, all fabricated. Manuel and his guys over there, they're doing a great job with all the F-150 stuff. We also have the turbo kits in stock right now. So if you're looking for a turbo kit and you don't want to wait for your 15 to 23, they will work on a 24, 25 F-150 as well, but there is no tuning. You would have to have like a standalone system, either like one of the fuel techs we sell or Holly or something to control the truck, but they will bolt on a 15 to 25 F-150. So we do have those turbo kits in stock too. So if you want something like right now, you'll have all the parts typically to you within 7 to 10 days, which is really, really nice. So check out the website, beefcakeracing.com. All the Daylight Performance parts are on there. We can get these all shipped out to you. They are all in stock. So hit the website up. Call my guys, 855-827-7223. We can give you any education you need on the parts and help you out with all your builds, suspensions, fuel systems, all these custom components. Again, all available for your F-150, beefcakeracing.com.